Hello students, the topic of the speech is Independence Day. Respected principal, distinguished teachers, parents and my dear friends, a very good morning to everyone present here. My name is Akash and I study in class 7. I feel honored to have the opportunity to share my thoughts with you on India's 80th Independence Day. It has been 79 years since India became free on 15th August 1947. Today, we remember with gratitude the brave freedom fighters whose courage, sacrifice and determination gave us the priceless gift of freedom. Their dream was not just to see an independent India, but a strong, united and progressive nation. Freedom is one of our greatest blessings. It gives us the opportunity to learn, think, dream and work towards a better future. But freedom also comes with responsibility. It reminds us to respect others, follow the rules, protect public property, and always stand for truth and honesty. India is a land of great diversity. We speak different languages, follow different traditions, and celebrate many festivals, yet we proudly stand together as one nation. The spirit of unity is our greatest strength. As students, we may be young, but we can make a difference. By studying sincerely, helping others, caring for the environment, respecting our teachers and parents, and using technology wisely, we can contribute to the progress of our country. Let us always be responsible, compassionate, and proud citizens who work together to make India stronger, cleaner, and brighter. Happy 80th Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.